What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. In today's video we have very good news. It seems that SpringBoard and of course application tweak injection was actually achieved on newer devices, and we're going to get this released in a couple of days, maybe even today. We're going to get into that in a second. This video is brought to you by ForMeKey, a software that allows to remove the iCloud activation lock from secondhand devices if you got scammed, for example from eBay or Facebook groups, and you cannot use the device you purchased. You can also turn off the camera sound and remove the Apple ID. It supports iOS 15 and 16. Definitely check the program out in the link below. A free trial is available. So today we got this posted. You can see a screenshot. It's basically the SpringBoard with good evening and what appears to be an icon in there of weather. Now this can only be done with a tweak as far as I know, and this is basically on iOS 16.5 iPhone 13, so we're talking A12 Plus on iOS 16. Now this is part of this application LittleRoot, which will be released soon. It says in here LittleRoot app and SpringBoard injection soon. This is apparently going to support tweaks directly into the SpringBoard, so you can have custom icons, you can have custom SpringBoard, custom lock screen, whatever you can do with a jailbreak you could do with this. And at the same time this says real tweaks for apps and SpringBoard. This is the developer that's making this, and they said that they are going to release this pretty much soon. Somebody asked if this is going to be released this week, and they said today or tomorrow possibly. So this is actually quite interesting. This is how the application will look like. It's called LittleRoot. It appears to have the kernel open button. Packages is probably tweaks, and user space reboot. So we're going to get this pretty much very soon. This application will allow you to have tweaks on SpringBoard and applications even without being fully jailbroken. From this tweet over here, this tester or developer appears to have it working on iOS 16.5, which is quite far advanced, and it's actually what KFD exploit supports. So if this is based on KFD, which I believe it is, it should support iOS 16.0 all the way up to iOS 16.5 absolutely, and possibly even iOS 16.6, 16.5.1 and stuff like that in the future. So yeah, this is definitely great news. This is the biggest news so far, because this allows you to have real tweaks that we could have with a jailbreak, but without being jailbroken. And this is part of a self-contained application that you will be able to have installed and add packages, do the user space reboot, and of course run the exploit. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to see it released, and I'm going to keep you informed when this happens. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, peace out.